Good evening. Welcome to Communication Policy and Planning. The topic for today is communication issues at the global level. Good evening.
Age of business conglomerates, media ownership is not spared from mergers and acquisitions by very, very large corporations. For instance, there are only a few major media corporations in the world today: Comcast, the Walt Disney, Warner Brothers, Discovery, Paramount Global, Sony Group, News Corp, Fox, and Amazon MGM Studios. These media corporations are partly owned by asset managers BlackRock, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, State Street Global Advisors, and Fidelity Investments. Our media example for today is the Sun newspaper and Facebook or Meta. The Sun is owned by Rupert Murdoch of the News Corporation. As such, it, like all major or mainstream media entities, protect their investors, including large pharmaceutical companies. The same can be said of now mainstream social media Meta, formerly Facebook, which openly admitted that the White House pressured them to censor contents shared in their platforms. Independent and authoritative information from the media are now considered extinct and things of the past. Citizens should therefore look out after themselves, be observant, and exercise age of business conglomerates. Media ownership is not spared from mergers and acquisitions